gonna sprinkle some positive energy, some good energy. Just gonna sprinkle it in there. Sprinkle it in there. Sprinkle. And then we're just going to rain it down. Rain it down. Wash off any ick and rain some chill. Here you go. Just sort of raining down some chill. Rain. And sprinkle some good energy. Just sprinkle some good energy. Good energy, okay? And just sprinkle it in, and rain it down. Rain down some chill. Rain down some chill vibes, some chill energy. Rain down some chill energy. Chill. Amazing. You did great.
You got something in your eye. Oh, I'm sorry. Are you feeling okay? No, you have something in your eye. Fair enough. Okay. Can you close both eyes for me? It hurts when you close this one. Okay. Is that okay if I open it wider for you? Yeah, okay. Just hold really still. Just hold it. Open a little bit wider. Just get a good look at it. Is that okay if I bring my light in? I can't see very well. Yeah, okay. Alright, and just look that way for me. Perfect. And look this way for me. See if I can see it in here. And look up. Yeah, just up. Perfect. You're doing a great job. I'm sorry. It's never fun to have anything stuck in your eye. And look down for me. Perfect.
Oh my god, bestie, did you do your makeup in the dark? I'm gonna get you a cleansing balm to get this stuff off your face. You need like a whole bunch. Just gonna bring a little life back to your face, you know. Hey bestie, do you happen to have any blush? Yeah, I like totally forgot to put on some today and it looked kind of like dead, so I was wondering if I could borrow your blush. You wait. I promise I'll give it back. Relax, bestie. Just a little more. Ooh, this color looks really good too. Oh, yeah.
this inappropriateness. Palette. Let's go with this. Just gonna give you whatever color I have, but keep still. Just dot that out that little bit. Put this onto your face. Got a little bit of foundation on the back of my hand. I'm just going to blend, buffing it out. Buffing it out. Translucent powder. We're going to do some blush now. And just buff this into your beautiful cheeks. Cheeks. I'm just going to do a little bit on the nose as well. A little tiny bit